Today, we're going to learn how to set up the Lightspeed R-Series Loyalty Widget within the 99minds platform. First, make sure you're logged in and have navigated to the dashboard screen. This is where we'll begin. Next, let's check if the Lightspeed R-Series has been installed in your 99minds account. Click on the Integrations tab to verify. If it's already installed, just hit the Manage button and ensure that the Loyalty Widget is enabled. This brings us to the Loyalty Widget itself. Here, we have options to enable and customize it. Navigate to the Customization tab, where you'll find various options to tailor the Loyalty Widget to your preferences, including loyalty points and visibility options for tabs on the widget. In this section, you can configure features like showing or hiding loyalty points, VIP tiers, and coupons. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click the Update button to save your settings. Now, you need to mention the URL for the loyalty button. Enter the URL here for the loyalty program and another one for the discount code. Check to ensure the integration status is enabled. Once confirmed, return to the dashboard and log into the Lightspeed R-Series. In the Lightspeed R-Series, proceed to create a new sale. You need to attach a customer to this sale, so let's use John Doe as an example. With John Doe already created, we attach him as a customer. Afterward, we add a product to the sale, like a shirt. Once the product is added, you'll notice the loyalty and coupon buttons appear. Clicking the loyalty button will direct you to the loyalty page, displaying John Doe's complete profile. On this page, you can view loyalty points, VIP tier details, and even issue gift cards. Additionally, you can add a customer's birthday. Here, you can explore options like ways to redeem and ways to earn, as well as view gift card transactions, points, and customer coupons. For redemption, 100 points can be exchanged for a $10 coupon, and you can configure similar settings for earning points. To earn points, for instance, you can set it up so customers receive 10 points for every dollar spent. You can adjust these settings within the 99minds widget settings. Within the Loyalty widget, you'll find the Points section. Here, you can explore the Ways to Redeem options. This section allows configuration. For example, you can set a $10 coupon requiring 100 points for redemption. By redeeming 100 points, a user receives a $10 coupon. This is how you establish the flow for Loyalty widget's redemption in 99minds. Similarly, for Ways to Earn, users can gain 10 points per dollar spent. The same structure is mirrored on the Lightspeed R-Series Loyalty Widget. Here, you can see both the Ways to Redeem and Ways to Earn sections and can redeem points as needed. When you click the Redeem button, the user receives a $10 coupon. This coupon is also viewable in the Coupon section, detailing what the user receives. You can also review transaction details for points redemption, noting that 100 points were redeemed with the current timestamp. Similarly, Ways to Earn is tracked when an order is placed. To manage these processes, access the 99minds dashboard, then check Workflows. Within all workflows, look for the Loyalty Point Claim Trigger to see the workflow executed in 99minds. The execution details include the current timestamp. Here, a user redeemed 100 points and received a $10 coupon. This is how you set up the Lightspeed R-Series Loyalty Widget in 99minds. You can verify the same in the Lightspeed R-Series panel, where multiple options are available. Additionally, gift cards can be issued directly from this user interface. Thank you for joining in this setup guide.